Suddenly, heavy rain began in the jungle. The sky turned dark, and a cold wind started to blow. The leaves on the trees began to shake violently. Lightning flashed, and the sound of thunder echoed through the jungle. The lion ran toward its cave, the deer hid in the bushes, and the monkey climbed down from the tree and went into its hollow home. Birds spread their wings and flew into their nests. The frogs also moved closer to the water. After a while, the entire jungle became quiet, and all the animals were safe in their homes.